How do real estate agents get the best photos and video? It's both about the camera and the equipment. You might already have a camera that's ideal for photography and videos, but if you don't have the best tripod, it may not matter. Without a tripod, it's hard to successfully stage a photo. Tripods make it possible to actually frame the photo correctly. In real estate photography and architectural photography, framing is important. Additionally, for video, you don't want to sit there with shaky video doing it selfie style. So let's take a look at how to find the best tripod for real estate photography and video. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to kick things off by talking about smartphone tripods versus camera tripods. Before you take photos and video, you need to know what type of tripod you need. The best tripod for real estate photography and videos can either be a smartphone tripod or a camera tripod. A smartphone tripod uses your own phone as the camera. You slot your phone in and it takes care of the rest. A camera tripod is more traditional. This type of tripod locks into a professional camera. A lot of real estate photography and videos are done today on a smartphone or a tablet. If you hire a professional real estate photographer, they'll use a camera, but they'll also likely have their own tripod. In looking for the best tripod for real estate photography, I've made a list of the best smartphone and camera tripods. What primarily differs will be the tripod head. A camera will typically screw in, whereas a smartphone tripod are friction held. Let's take a look at some of the best tripods for real estate photos and video. I'll share links to each in the video description below. Starting out on our list for best smartphone tripods is the GorillaPod Mobile Rig. This tripod is best for real estate agents who carry extra real estate photography gear, such as lights and mics. This is an all-in-one kit that does a lot of lifting. The GorillaPod Mobile Rig doesn't just have a holder for your smartphone. It also has multiple mounts, making it a great choice for if you have an extra mic or lights. This is great for taking photos and videos even in dimly lit spaces like bathrooms or at night. In addition to being able to stand on a flat surface, this tripod can also clamp onto poles and railings. The tripod head can be turned in any direction, so this makes it great for even doing vertical video. Number 2. The Manfrotto Pixi Mini Tripod Kit. This tripod kit is best for real estate agents who want a small, compact tripod kit that they can take anywhere. The Manfrotto tripod kit doesn't have a lot of big features, but it's a great tripod for casual use. If you just need to snap a quick real estate photo or video, you can use this small, compact fold-up tripod. It doesn't have a pan-tilt head, but it can be turned for vertical video. An additional advantage of this tripod kit is that the smartphone holder can be unscrewed and transformed into a regular camera tripod for a professional DSLR. The only downside is that this tripod kit is fairly delicate and lightweight, so a heavy camera is going to tax the tripod head. Moving on to number 3, the GripTight PRO TelePod. This tripod is best for real estate agents who want a tripod and selfie stick in one. With the GripTight PRO TelePod, you can shoot when you want. You can control the shutter speed on your phone, and when you shoot with the selfie stick, you have complete control over your shots. This tripod has an extending column and a tripod head that can be twisted and tilted, though it isn't a ball head. The downside is that it's a little delicate when it's raised all the way up. Leave the tripod leg at least partly down if you don't want a disaster. Number 4. The GorillaPod Mobile Mini. This tripod is best for real estate agents who want to do property photography while on the go. So small it'll fit in your pocket. The GorillaPod Mobile Mini is likely to be one of the smallest tripods you can find. It's so cheap and easy to use that you can keep one in your car or at the office. just in case you need a backup. This tripod doesn't have a lot of reach and it isn't going to support the weight of a DSLR camera. However, its portability and maneuverability are really what makes the difference. Its bendable tripod legs makes it possible to maneuver it into any position, but don't get it if the camera height matters though. Number 5. The Manfrotto Compact Light Smart. This tripod is best for real estate agents who want to take pictures of more than just interior space. If you're trying to get a wide-angle photograph or an exterior shot, some of the smaller smartphone tripods might not work. The Manfrotto Compact is still relatively small but can stand up much higher. It is high enough to complete exterior shots or shots with a tilt-shift lens or wide-angle lens. This sturdy tripod is well priced and can stand tall, perfect for more professional photography even with a camera. However, its phone holder is a little weak and will be larger than the other tripods. Okay, so now let's move into some of the dedicated DSLR camera tripods. Number 1 on this list is the Vanguard Alta Pro. This tripod is best for a real estate professional who wants a great all-around tripod for their DSLR or mirrorless camera. The Vanguard Alta Pro is a pan head tripod with all the bells and whistles that even a professional photographer or videographer might want. If you wanted to set up a photography business as a side job, this carbon fiber tripod is the best choice. While it's a bit large, it's also heavy duty. You can set your camera on this device and click away without worry. It's even flexible enough that you can point your camera directly down, though it's not likely you would need to do that for listing photographs. Number 7. Ranger's Ultra Compact Tripod. This tripod is best for an agent on the go who nevertheless wants to use a professional camera. The Ranger's Ultra Compact Tripod is a small tripod with a ball head design. It can't pan or tilt, but it can fit in your bag. If you want a go bag with everything that you need for a great shoot, this is a good tripod for you. The downside is that this tripod isn't very sturdy. It may feel flimsy if you try to take it to a large estate photo shoot, but for shooting inside, it should be more than enough. Up next is the GorillaPod SLR Zoom. This tripod is best for real estate agents who want to use their DSLR for fast, simple photography. The GorillaPod is a flexible system where each of the 3 legs of the tripod can be moved and curved as desired. Not only does this mean that you can easily get the shot you want, but you can also set your stage on uneven terrain or even hook it onto something such as a railing. GorillaPod is often used for smartphones. Problems can arise when using them for heavier or larger professional digital cameras, but the flexibility, size, and weight of these tripods make them very appealing to many. A GorillaPod isn't going to be usable for an exterior photo shoot, but it will be usable if you want to adjust your camera height from table height. Alright, so 4th up on our list is the Concept DSLR tripod. This tripod is best for real estate agents who need to be able to take large landscape photos. Sometimes a house isn't super special or unique just by the house itself, but rather the surroundings. The Concept DSLR tripod is a heavy, robust system that's designed for taking large macro shots. This is a great option for those who want to be able to take pictures of large estates, neighborhoods, gardens, and scenery. It's also a good choice for real estate professionals who work with large commercial buildings or outdoor green spaces. But because of its size and weight, it's overkill for most interior photography. An architectural photographer would only need this tripod if they were going to be photographing very large, expansive buildings. Alright, so how do you choose the right tripod? If you're trying to choose the right tripod for you, there are a few things that you should consider. Number 1, do you need interior or exterior shots? In general, a lightweight tripod is more than enough if you're mostly completing interior shots. But when you complete exterior shots, there's more that you need to be concerned about. You need to worry about things like wind or uneven terrain. Also, are you going to be shooting from the waist height or floor height? There are generally 2 classes of tripods. Some are meant to sit on a desk, table, or counter. They're fairly short. Others are full-size tripods and are meant to stand on the ground. Figure out which you need before you start buying. Next, How heavy or large is your device? You can get a pretty affordable lightweight tripod if you have a small, light phone. But if you have a heavy DSLR, you're going to need to look into much heavier duty tripods. The tripod doesn't just need to support the weight of the camera. It has to hold it firmly in place. Additionally, if you're adding lights or mics to the camera, that's going to add to the weight as well. How much do you want to spend? Tripods can vary significantly in cost, from just $10 to thousands of dollars depending on what you want to do with them. In general, for real estate professionals, you shouldn't need to spend more than $50 to $100 for a tripod. But as with many things, the more you spend, the easier the process may be. How frequently will you be moving the tripod? If you're moving the tripod a lot, you might want a light, compact one that you can just throw in your bag. If you're going to be using your tripod infrequently, it's easier to use one that's heavy. These aspects will tell you what type of tripod you should be looking for and which tripods would be unfeasible. By the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads. And I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now, I want to turn it over to you. Are you shopping for a new tripod? What features are you looking for in your next tripod? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.